Hello, my dear doctor. I'd like to talk on very important specialties of this online course and what the important things and very special things and very unique way that you are getting in this online course. MRCP UK Part-2 written exam is one of the toughest exams because immediately after passing the MRCP UK Part-1, the doctors are really confused what to do and what not to do. And with the aim of getting the best way of preparations of MRCP UK Part-2 written from a single platform. So it's really difficult to get all these things to get from a single platform, preparing themselves with confidently to go for the exam. Hello, my dear doctors. Would you like to prepare yourself the best possible way of MRCP UK Part-2 written examinations where you'll get the complete materials dedicated only for the MRCP UK Part-2 written and also you don't need to study further any other materials for preparing yourself the best way. Doctors including the UK, Canada, Spain, Oman, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Malaysia, Maldives, Sweden, Bulgaria, Iraq, Egypt, Syria, Singapore, China, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, West Indies, France, and even from Australia are enjoying their courses and already passed their MRCP UK Part-2 written and Part-1 exams in their first attempts by attending the online course. And these video clips are giving the informations the doctors who are searching for such materials so that the best preparations of MRCP UK Part-2 written from a single platform can be possible. This course, the specialties includes number one point is the study materials, my dear doctor. Study materials is one of the important integral part. The people immediately thought about to go for an exam, they thought about the study materials. After these study materials, online course, it includes the video lectures that is for the first time in all over the world. It includes more than 150 or 145 hours as well as thousands of hot topics and important topics that are usually touched by the Royal College of Physicians and a full set of practice questions with answers and explanations and complete examinations of the 12 systems as well as a mock test. It does mean the study materials is a complete study materials, the A to Z, what candidates really feel from their heart. They need to prepare themselves the best way to prepare adequately enough, to be effective enough to pass their exams with the colorful results. Second important component of this course and very specialty is that a complete guidelines what to do and what not to do. It's really important. If you have the study materials but no guidelines, sometimes it's lacking a deficiency that the candidates usually feel that. So yes, my dear doctor, you'll have the complete guidelines what to do starting to ending point. Even in the exam hall, what you need to do, each and every components will be covered in these materials. Now the third component is the question-based approach. Is one of the important things, my dear, that is lacking. The people don't know actually how to apply on their own knowledges. We put a name of QBA or KBA. We call it question-based approach and knowledge-based applications. It does mean you have the knowledges, but you don't know how to apply all them together into the questions, into the scenarios. Yes, to get the right answers, correct answers with confidence, my dear, this is very important. So yes, once again, the question-based approach that will be learned and taught in this course. And also we call it the KBA, that is the knowledge-based application that will be learned, my dear. Fourth important components of this course, my dear, huge collections of the photography illustrations, we call it. Not only the photography, my dear, there will be an interactive lectures and explanations of each and every photographs or illustrations appropriate for your exam, that is specifically for Part 2 written examinations that are usually touched in your exams, my dear. The hot topics, photography, that includes the ECGs. The well and good explanation of the ECGs and the most encountered topics will be taught in the ECG. And X-rays, yes, the chest X-rays, any of the radiologies, any of the X-ray, contrast X-rays as well, including the CT scan, MRI, MRI brain, MRI spine, as well as the CT chest, CT abdomen, ERCP, yes, and some of the contrast radiographies, echocardiography, yes, audiogram, hematology slides, histopathology slides, as well as the microbiology slides, immunofluorescence slides as well, and nerve conduction studies, protein electrophoresis, genetic pedigrees, and many more, my dear, which are really tasked in your exams. So huge collections which you'll never feel that in your exam hall. A candidate feels that you already learned them all them together, and you feel much more easier and comfortable in exam hall, my dear. The fifth important component, the best thing is the best approach of data interpretations with huge collections of the data, with very effective approach of highly encountered topics of the different topics. So the data interpretation is one of the most integral part to be good clinicians, because the medicine specialists need the data, the investigations, collections, and all them together, how to interpret them, how you apply your own knowledges into the data. So that will be also taught into this course, my dear. Sixth important component, my dear, you will be always connected with your own mentor. Yes, my dear doctor, it's very important that 24/7, the support where you can ask any of the doubts to your mentors. One of the most important quality of this course, my dear, you'll be glad to know that, and you have much of the confidence that already the highest rated best course for the MRCP courses in all over the world, including the Part 1 preparation, Part 2 written preparations, and also the clinical part, the PACES examinations, my dear. It has been in the years, the Part 1, that the regular live courses are going on in country like Bangladesh, and also the online courses is the first time in all over the world that has already won the hearts of the huge number of the doctors in country and outside the country. And my dear, yes, once again, the Part 2 written also getting, yes, accepted by the different countries. People's doctors are learning to that extent, not only to pass the exam and also additive to your knowledge as well. That is really essential for your practice, my dear. And of course, for the clinical part, the summary that I like to say, the one and only platform, my dear, that one and only, the SsAcademy is a one and only platform, the mrcp-course.com, where you'll get the full preparations starting from the MRCP Part 1, then up to the Part 2 written, and then once again the PACES, which is the first time in the world such an unique, effective, motivating, and best possible way of the course. Yes, my dear doctor, once again I'm saying www.ssmrcp-uk.com. Yes, you just visit there, you enroll there, pre-registration there. You can watch some of the demo video lectures and some of the core features. There are lots of huge number of the people discussing themselves, how they're getting benefits. And also in your YouTube channels, you can see some of the good feedbacks and a huge number of the feedbacks for the first time having the MRCP course, how much this is effective, how much the people are getting benefits, the best possible way you can watch them and getting the confidence and to do enroll the course, and also you will be part of the SsAcademy family as well. I hope that, my dear, after having these video clips, at least you have an idea of what the most important things that you are getting and you will get, and how much you'll get the benefits you understood. Thank you very much, my dear. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you once again.